everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Prepping. Well, got an unboxing for you. Well, an unboxing and a couple unbagging. So just the normal. All right, so let me get my everyday carry here out. And actually, I don't need it for these. Hopefully, this is just okay. Now, before I pop both these open, these are almost the same thing. And I want to talk about why I got these. These have a very specific piece of equipment, if you will, in it that I'm going to use for a couple different things. But mainly I'm going to use it for some of the pots I have, the big pots I have in the indoor garden, so I can make the grow lights, be able to hang the grow lights from them and have them out just a little bit farther than the edge of the pot, so I'm able to get them there so they function properly with the plants. So what I got was, I got some 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch tees. And not scratch that, not tees, but crosses. And let me open up one of them here and I can show you what I'm going to do with these. And you may consider, finding use for these as well. So what I plan on doing is putting like 12-inch pieces of PVC in each one, drilling a hole in the middle so it fits over the big posts I got in one of my previous videos where I got from Home Depot. And that way this hangs up there, and from the PVCs out on the side, I'll be able to hang down some chains to the grow lights. So they are providing the proper distance from the plants as the plants push out, and I can make sure it works good for growing them. Hopefully, once I have these in place, I will do a video on it showing you how they work and whether or not it works good, and then you can decide whether or not you need to get these as well. I'm going to put the links for both the 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch down in the description. And if I forget to put it in there when I'm uploading the video, please make a comment. Where's the description? And I'll reply specifically to you and post it in the description as well for everybody else. All right, well, let's get on to the next one here. Well, that's where I need this. So I'm going to open up this big box here. All right, so this is a repeat of something I got before. And I didn't think I was going to need to get another batch here. All right, let's get rid of this. So I got 4 more of these tubs because I've been putting the 4 and 6 inch grow pots in them, and hopefully I'm not going overboard this summer for my garden, for what I'm able to do. But I need to, because I can put 11 of the 4-inch pots in these, and this will give me 44 more plants I can do. It also allows me to control and move them from shelf to shelf as I need to, or move them around. And actually, when I go out to put them in, I just carry the whole bin out there, and I just plant the bin at a time. So I got 4 more of these, and and I'll also give an update here sometime Friday possibly on the indoor garden, and you can see how it's going. All right, so in the meantime, stay happy, stay safe, keep adding to your preps, learn a new skill, and get ready to grow something this year.